Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily reorder a Cash App card, so let's jump right into it. First we open the app, of course. Make sure you are logged into your Cash App account. Now tap on this card icon in the bottom. You might notice there is no make or create card button here because I already have one. Now if you have one and you want to get another one because maybe you lost it or something like that, get to this screen and then scroll down. Now from here, tap on design a new card. You will be taken to the screen. Choose the design that you want and the type of card you want. Once you make up your choice, you can tap on personalized card. You'll be taken to a personalization screen. Once you're done from it, you can tap on order card, which will cost $5 and some tax. Now right here, confirm your address and then tap on next. In this screen, choose the shipping method. And after that, you'll be taken to the screen where you need to confirm the card order. You tap right here. It will tell you that the order is confirmed. Now in the card screen, you get a new category, preparing cash card, for you to, basically follow up with the process of making the card. And that's basically it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and thank you very much for watching.